Guys, you have to leave now. If you don't leave, you're gonna go to jail. Yes, back up. Oscar 371. I got 21015.
On March 14th, 2021, at Universal Studios, what should have been a day of fun quickly turned into a tense standoff. Two guests, refusing to leave after a trespass warning, find themselves face to face with Orlando police.
Hey, get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back away from him. Back up. Back up.
He's following me.
Back up.
He's following me, not me.
It's not. It's their property. It's their property. They can follow you wherever they want to. They can follow you wherever they want. It's their property. What's going on?
They're threatening team members, threatening to fight them.
So they gotta leave?
They lunged at team members. I've already verbally trespassed them, and they're refusing.
Security alleges these. Guests had already been trespassed, yet they're still here, still arguing and refusing to go. Universal property isn't public. Once you're trespassed, you have no legal right to remain. The law is clear. Despite multiple warnings, they stall. The male guest questions everything, playing dumb, buying time, but the clock is ticking.
All right, listen, you guys are already, hello. You guys were told you have to leave, so you have to leave Universal property. It doesn't matter. Listen to me. It's not your property, it's Universal's property. Yeah. They want you to leave. Listen, are you going to listen to me? You have to leave now or you will be under arrest. So leave the property. Arrest? Trespass after warning. Trespass after warning if you don't leave. You have to listen, it doesn't matter. You have to leave. If you don't leave, you are going to jail.
Why? Why am I going to jail?
If you don't start walking, you're going to go to jail. You have to leave.
For what? Go to jail for what?
Listen, I'm not playing this game. I'm telling you right now, if you don't leave, you're going to go to jail. They want you to leave their property. You're no longer welcome on Universal property. There is no reason why we're not going to play that game. They don't want to. They don't want to talk to you. So you guys have to go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't talk like that.
If you don't go, you're going to go in handcuffs.
Okay, but don't talk like that.
Let's go.
Look.
The male still refuses. He argues they paid for tickets, but a ticket is not a shield against a trespass warning. The officer offers a refund number, but it's too late. The couple continues pushing back. The female insists they just want their money, but neither complies with the lawful order to leave.
Okay, we paid for tickets and we just came in.
I already gave you guys the option for a refund. At that point, you ruined it. You need to leave.
Okay,
right,
no, we want our money back.
Let's go.
We just paid it.
Okay.
I'll give you a phone number, but we're not stopping by guest services. At this point, you guys need to leave the property immediately.
I'm leaving. I just want my money.
Well, he's going to give you a phone number, and you're going to have to do it that way. You have to leave now.
Okay, give him the phone number.
He will.
As we walk,
Let's go.
need to start walking towards the
I'm not walking.
Don't be
Listen, they can follow you. Just walk. Just walk. Walk. You don't leave, you're going to jail. You understand that? If you don't leave,
Anybody in jail?
if you don't leave, you're going to go to jail.
Put anybody in jail?
Trespass after warning.
Right now it's going to be a verbal 59. Go ahead.
You have to keep walking.
No, I'm resting.
You're going to go to jail if you don't keep walking.
What are you talking about? Why are you putting me
I'm
here?
telling you again,
What are you
you've
talking
been
about?
listen to me. You've been trespassed. They want you to leave.
Okay.
If you do not leave, you go to jail. So go or you go to jail.
The officer's tone shifts. The time for patience is over. The male is warned again and again.
Jail.
Oh, you put anybody
So
in
leave.
jail?
We're going to put you in jail if you don't leave.
What's
So
your name?
walk. Let's walk. Let's walk. Walk.
Talk in a
Walk.
better way, okay? The police is coming.
I am the police. You're going to go to jail when the other cop comes here then if you do not leave.
You're not old, that's the police.
Look, I'm telling you guys,
Only one.
this isn't a joke. If you guys do not leave property, this is not your property. This is private
It's not your property.
I already told you.
It's not.
I'm in
It's not
charge
yours.
of who
It's
comes
not
in and who
yours.
does not. If you do not leave, you will go to jail. Do you guys understand that?
Start walking.
You guys need to walk.
Okay, we need to.
Why are you so nervous?
I'm not nervous. I'm telling you to walk before you go to jail. I'm trying to keep you two out of jail, but you're not understanding this. So you either go and start walking or you're going to go to jail. How many times do I have to tell you this?
Anybody in jail? Oh my God.
Yeah. So keep going, guys.
Okay, so don't follow us, okay?
You guys need to
Okay,
leave.
just keep a
You guys-
distance, okay?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Walk.
Have your distance, but you need to keep walking.
I don't want to get.
Guys, let's go. We're not gonna keep doing this. Guys, you have to leave now. If you don't leave, you're gonna go to jail. Yes. I'm trying to keep you out of jail, and you're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail. Go. Walk. Walk.
Because we didn't do anything.
Walk.
As he says, you guys need to leave. All right? Stopping and waiting is not leaving.
Do you want to go to jail? Do you really want to go to jail? Let's go. Start walking.
Going over to dockside.
Are you going to continue walking?
Walk. You want to go to jail, really?
Training 10.
I'm trying to wait till they get there in case after 10:15. Let's go. You're not off their property.
You need to get in your vehicle.
No, you didn't. This is still their property. You have to leave everything.
Exactly where are they now? Because are they in a courtyard or?
Finally, the cuffs come out. The male is taken down. But even as he's being arrested, he resists. Pulling, questioning, demanding answers he's already been given.
You are under arrest.
Okay, you left.
You are under
No, we
arrest.
left. Don't talk. No, don't.
Back up.
151 Alpha 109. Can you go to channel 6 for me? Sal, are you good?
No, I got one secure. I got the other one I can't secure right now. I'm with one. We're by Blue Man Group. Oscar 371. I have one 1015 and I need OPD hub. I don't have another pair of handcuffs.
No? Just go and I'll stay with him.
Officers fear escalation. Pepper spray is deployed. Now both are in handcuffs.
My brother, no!
The next two line by the rocket
Put your hands behind your back. No, I don't have another.
No, don't hold me like that, no!
You're under arrest.
No, okay! No, don't talk to me, okay, but okay, but let him leave me.
No, you guys were told numerous
Let him
times.
leave me, okay, because I didn't do anything.
Where the hell is OPD hub?
I didn't do anything. Let him leave me.
I need another pair of cuffs.
He can't do that. I didn't do anything. Let him leave me.
What you need, Sal?
I didn't have anything.
I got two 1015s.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Control 102.
She's holding this other cuff.
My hand.
Here, you want to bring him that way and get him backside? Here, I got it.
Oh my God! I can't see.
Oscar 371. I got two 1015s. I need a supervisor for spray.
Move the mask! 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 I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter. We're not playing sorry anymore.
I'm sorry, man.
Sorry's done.
I'm leaving.
You're leaving in handcuffs now.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're leaving in handcuffs.
I'm sorry, man.
Listen.
I'm sorry.
Stop resisting.
Okay, please. My eye. I can't see.
I know that.
Okay,
It sucks. Trust me, I know. Keep going this way. We got to get you some medical help.
I'm sorry, man. Please don't.
Sit down.
I can't see a
Sit
Batman.
down.
I got Batman.
Sit down.
I can't see.
Sit down.
I can't see.
Sit down.
Where?
I'm gonna get my car. It's right over there.
Do you have any knives on you or anything like that? No? You? Anything illegal that could hurt us? Any knives, anything like that in your purse? No? Okay.
We didn't do anything.
Sorry, man. We're sorry.
Hey, anybody pick up the pepper?
Don't say sorry. We didn't do anything.
The male yells in pain, claiming he can't see. The female cries out for her brother. The consequences of ignoring a lawful order are now setting in. As officers try to assess their condition, the female begins to plead, "We didn't do anything. We just wanted to leave." But the footage and the timeline tell a different story.
You're going to jail. It's over.
I'm not going to jail.
Sit down. You are. Okay, it's over.
Stop. Stop. You're not going to jail. We didn't do anything.
Okay. You can say whatever you want.
That's pretty much all it is.
Man, I can't do like this. Please let us go.
Listen, you're not. Listen, you're not going. But this is health services. If you want their assistance.
Okay, we are sorry.
My eye.
Yep.
My eye, yeah.
We left.
It's over. It's over. It's done.
What? We left. We didn't.
It's done.
We're still here. No, we left. You told us we left.
It's done.
Ma'am, do you have ID?
My sister. Can I call my sister?
No, do you have ID?
It's with my sister inside.
Okay, then. All right, your purse?
I don't have anything illegal.
I'm asking.
I came here to have fun only.
Were you pepper sprayed?
Yeah, it burns a lot.
I'm Sergeant Rivera. What I'm doing is investigating the whole interaction with the officer. Not anything with
Which officer?
the one that pepper sprayed you. Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, he sprayed it. He told us to leave the park and we left.
Okay.
And once we left, they did all that. Started spraying at us and my brother fell on the floor and put these things in his hand. And then he came to me and did the same thing. That's why we didn't do anything. He told us to leave the park and once he told us we left, I was just waiting for my sister.
Were you leaving the park or did you stop?
What?
Did you stop or were you leaving?
I stopped to wait for my sister because she's inside and I told him that.
Okay.
I told him that. And he told me, you leave and I will give you your money back at the exit. Once we came to the exit, he did all of that. He didn't tell us anything of this.
Okay.
And we left and we didn't even do anything inside.
She claims they were walking out, waiting for her sister, but surveillance and officer statements show repeated refusal to leave and movement away from the exit. Finally, park security gives their statement. They describe the suspects arguing in the Simpsons area, refusing to exit, then turning back toward the park.
Yeah. I mean, other than the spray, do you have any injuries? Like, was that the only thing they did? They sprayed you? Did they hit you? Anything like that?
They pushed me on the floor and put my brother on the floor.
Okay, do you have any injuries from that?
I think my body has, yeah. But I don't know where exactly. I don't know, yeah.
You don't know? Is there anything hurting right now?
Yeah, but my leg is hurting, my hand is hurting. I have never been in this situation before.
Okay, so he sprayed you guys. What else happened?
Yeah. What?
What else happened after you guys sprayed?
And then he pushed my brother on the floor on his face.
Did they tell you you were under arrest?
Hitting him.
Did they tell you were under arrest?
No.
You're under arrest.
No.
You're under arrest.
That happened suddenly. I didn't know why. Suddenly, once we were at the exit.
Okay. Anything else?
We didn't do anything. There was a little argument with one of the securities inside, and all of this happened.
Okay.
He screamed at us, and that's what happened. We told him, don't talk to us like that. That's it. My arm hurts. He didn't leave it. I think it's broken.
They can check it for you to see if it's broken, if you think. But if you're able to move around, do you need medical attention?
Oh yeah, my face burns a lot.
So they haven't helped you medically?
No.
Okay. Well, they're going to give you medical attention. Anything you want to add on the... I'm not doing anything with the Universal. I'm here mainly for the spray and the arrest part.
Yeah, the spray was too much. My brother can't see. He can't even open his eyes.
That's what the spray does.
No, till now he can't open it.
Yeah,
till now.
it does that. It affects people differently.
Yeah, and he has our problems.
Me, when I get it, I can't open my eyes for a couple hours.
Why does he do that?
Because he asked you to leave?
And we left.
All right, I will review the video and everything.
Go on.
So, what happened?
So I came in, they were involved in an altercation over at in the Simpsons area.
Okay.
They were walking, they kept stopping. When I got there, they stopped on the way out towards the exit. Then when we got to the exit, they turned away from the exit. They tried to come to where we're standing now, and this is a crossover between the two parks.
Okay.
So it does not exit the park.
Yep.
Again, he's told you have to leave. He's saying something, it's almost like in a different language. He's just like blowing us off and waving his hand back. At that time, Officer Polisi advises him, listen, we've given you a lot of attempts. You are now under arrest.
Was Officer Polisi by himself or another officer was there?
At that time, he was by himself.
Okay.
He was by himself, and the rest of us were all universal security.
Okay.
At that point, he grabbed his left hand. He actively resisted.
Okay.
And was pulling away and pushing to not be placed under arrest. I don't recall him actually taking any kind of punches or anything, but he was resisting being arrested. Officer Polisi and told him again he was under arrest. He pulled out his chemical agent and sprayed him with the chemical agent. And from what it appeared to me, you could tell that the female that was with it was trying to come behind Officer Polisi. He also sprayed her at that time, which kind of pushed her back. He took the gentleman into the bushes, put the handcuffs on him. Gentleman went down face first into the bushes. The female came running over as if she was going to go on to the cop Officer Polisi. I shoved her from being able to do so into the bushes. She remained sitting there. At that point, Officer Polisi got a handcuff on the male's right wrist. I held his elbow and wrist while he did that and was able to successfully get the left wrist cuffed at that point. I offered to stay there with him while Officer Polisi placed the other girl under arrest.
And then when did the other officers get there? Like later after they were both in handcuffs?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Right. You have nothing illegal on you?
No, what illegal do I have?
I'm asking you.
No.
The reason because I'm going to search you.
I'm coming to a park.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Careful.
No, he's coming with me?
Yeah, or in a separate car or with you. I don't know which one yet. Put his seatbelt on. Excuse me.
Oh, why is so like...
It's just how they are.
Oh my God. I can't sit.
Excuse me.
I can't
You gotta put your
sit.
back.
This man is so rude. He won't come, right? This one is so bad.
He's the one arresting you.
Yeah, he's so bad.
He's the one being arresting you.
Here, turn around.
Both were charged with trespassing after warning and resisting without violence. They are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court.